Welcome to our tutorial on how to apply eyelash extensions. In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying eyelash extensions, step by step. From preparing your work area to finishing touches, we've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a basic, high-level understanding of the lash application process. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary supplies: eyelash extensions, eyelash extension glue, lash tweezers, tape or gel patches to cover lower lashes, and a small brush to comb through the lashes. Prepare your work area by setting up a comfortable chair and good lighting. You may also want to have a hand mirror and a larger mirror nearby so you can see the lashes from different angles. Before applying the extensions, gently clean the client's lashes with an oil-free cleanser to remove any makeup or oils. This will help the lash glue adhere better. You can use a non-lint swab or a soft cloth to gently clean the lashes. Make sure to avoid getting any cleanser in the client's eyes. To apply the extensions, use the tweezers to gently pick up an extension and dip the base into the glue. Then use the tweezers to gently place the extension onto the natural lash as close to the root as possible, but never touching the client's lash line. Let me repeat, glue should never touch any part of the client's eyes. Make sure the extension is secure and lies flat against the natural lash. Repeat this process until the desired number of extensions have been applied to each eye. Once you have applied the extensions, use the small brush to gently comb through the lashes to help them lay smoothly and evenly. This will help to remove any tangles or clumps and ensure that the extensions look natural. To finish, apply a small amount of glue to the base of the natural lashes to help seal the extensions in place. This will help to keep the extensions from falling out prematurely. The entire process should take about 1 minute to 2 hours, depending on the number of extensions being applied and the skill level of the technician. During this time, it is important to make sure the client is comfortable and relaxed. You may want to provide a headrest or pillows for added comfort. Remember to follow all safety guidelines when applying eyelash extensions, including working in a well-ventilated area. It is also important to use a high-quality, medical-grade glue to reduce the risk of irritation or allergic reactions. This is just a very general, high-level overview of the basic lash extensions process. If you wish to learn the proper way to apply eyelash extensions, it is recommended to seek out a professional, hands-on training program. Such programs will provide more detailed instruction and allow you to practice the technique under the supervision of experienced professionals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on upcoming giveaways, Q&As, mini trainings, and more. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about our lash or business trainings, please leave a comment below. We value your feedback and are here to support you on your journey to building a successful beauty business.